Never did I think we'd do this. Willem Buiter on Bitcoin. I believe one of your ancestors at The Hague had a dabbling in tulip bulbs in the 17th century. Is there an equivalency of Bitcoin to the Buiter family's tulip bulb losses of 1638?
This is much crazier. At least with the tulip bulbs, there was some hope that you get a tulip out of it at some point. Bitcoin is, at one level, a pure speculative game. Right? It's a pure bubble. Right? It has no intrinsic value. However, it is costly to mine, so it's socially wasteful, like gold. Right? Gold you can still put in your ears, but Bitcoin is sort of digital gold,
right,
and completely useless. And it is a vehicle for crime and tax evasion, terrorism financing, money laundering, and illegal capital mobility.
You and I are advantaged. We have Carl Ricadonna on set, and we're going to thermodynamics and entropy here. Carl, seriously, within any system, there's a thermodynamic relationship, and on Bitcoin, it uses a lot of electricity. On an entropic basis, it doesn't get it done, does it?
Absolutely. I think they have to focus on the carbon footprint of mining all of this Bitcoin, and there is a significant cost.
It's socially wasteful.
Francine, you want to jump in here on entropy and thermodynamics?
Yeah, I do, because actually, Willem, just a simple question. There's a huge appetite, right, for something else, for some kind. I don't know what Bitcoin is exactly in your mind, but for an asset class that we don't have at the moment. So what does demand for Bitcoin actually tell us? So away from Bitcoin, but just the fact that there may be a gap that needs to be filled by something.
No, I really think there is no justification in terms of lack of assets to make Bitcoin into a viable instrument. The only lack of assets I see may be safe assets. Bitcoin is the opposite, right? So this is really a pure speculative game, and unlike fiat money, which of course in principle is also a pure speculative game, Bitcoin is not the numeraire, it's not the unit of account, so it doesn't hold its value sort of in that way. It is not managed actively by a monetary authority. It is just a complete economic waste.